Gravity becomes the first tool. Structure is revealed from within, not assumed.
Uniformity enables control.
The process begins where nature and labor.
Every usable fiber starts with careful separation. Precision here defines quality later.
Raw material gathers before its journey forward. Freshness is protected from the very first move. Every load is measured before it moves on. The raw harvest prepares to leave its origin. From field to factory, the transformation has begun.
Distance is short, but control is constant.
Stability protects what nature provides. From here, precision replaces unpredictability. The factory is ready to receive its harvest. Scale defines everything that follows.
Safety secures every movement.
Raw material meets industrial order.
Human skill guides heavy systems.
Material flow begins its rhythm. Machines take the first handoff. Gravity becomes the first tool. Gravity becomes the first tool. Texture is refined through repetition.
Balance between wet and workable is achieved here. Human judgment refines what machines cannot.
Order prepares material for transformation. The raw phase ends, and precision takes over. Structure is revealed from within.
Consistency is engineered, not assumed.
Hidden value is carefully uncovered.
Clean fibers demand clean conditions. Purity is achieved through separation.
Uniformity enables control.
Environment shapes material behavior. The core is now prepared for change. Alignment unlocks true transformation. Strength is built through unity. Tension is measured, never forced.